In March of 2020, when the COVID-19 pandemic shut down Wall Street, crash-proof consumers did not have to worry about restoring their investments from a 30% drop. Instead, Terry and Angie Robinson of Westchester, Pennsylvania, spent their days restoring antique cars, knowing that they were not subject to market volatility and risk.
2020 has been one of those years that none of us could anticipate. The ups and the downs with COVID. Crash-proof retirement allowed Angie and I to maintain and not lose any of our assets. With my money invested in crash-proof retirement, we do benefit from the ups of the market, but we do not suffer from the downs of the market. It's allowed me to expand a few cars. My favorite cars, Porsche 356, 1964. Angie and I are very grateful and thankful that we are happy customers of crash-proof retirement.
When you're ready, Crash Proof Retirement is here for you. Call us or visit crashproofretirement.com.